Are you wondering if Jersey Shore Family Vacation is available on YouTube TV? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can stream this reality show. If you're a fan of the iconic cast, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does include Jersey Shore Family Vacation because it airs on MTV, which is part of YouTube TV's standard channel lineup. You can watch new episodes live as they air or check if past seasons are available on demand through MTV's library. Additionally, you can use YouTube TV's DVR feature to record episodes and watch them later at your convenience. However, keep in mind that on-demand availability depends on MTV's current offerings, so not all episodes may be accessible directly through the platform. If this video helped you understand how to watch Jersey Shore Family Vacation on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.